Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the White Pro Piano Bench, a versatile and comfortable addition to any musician's setup. This piano bench features a thick, padded cushion measuring 23.62 by 12.8 by 2.95 inches, providing stable support and reducing back fatigue during long performances. It's incredibly easy to install and adjust, thanks to its unique quick bolts that allow you to change the height between 20.9 and 25.2 inches in just 15 seconds. Crafted from high-quality connectors and thickened steel pipes, this sturdy and durable bench is designed for both stability and portability, making it easy to store and transport. The non-skid design includes 4 large anti-slip rubber foot covers, ensuring your bench stays in place while also protecting your floors and adjusting to uneven surfaces. This piano seat makes an ideal gift for piano, keyboard, and cello players, perfect for birthdays or special occasions. And remember, our customer service team is available 24/7 for any questions or concerns, offering free returns and exchanges for your peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.